So I want to show you how you're going to use it. So when you click on, for example, your background image, you have this new module over here under build where you can see image content. You can adjust the quality of the image, which is actually just like the size of the images. You can go in and edit the image where you have the whole new image editor. You can type in specific formats down here, 130x600 for example, for this specific format. We can go into crop. You can crop it, but it will keep the dimensions, and you can place the element where you want to have a specific focus on the image. Then you can go in and rotate, of course, as well. And if you want to flip, you can do this. You can rotate it, and of course make a lot of adjustments down here where you can go in for the brightness, contrast, and everything else. But just go around and jump into it and look around what you can do with your images. We click done, and now the image is ready to be placed, like this. You can also double tap here and go in and place it what you want focus to stay on. So it's much easier as well. Yes. And for example, this one. Go in and it will downscale automatically in kilobytes, like this.